Black Hawk, Colorado.
Yeah.
We are going to Ameristar, across the way from the Lodge Casino. That one over there, I heard, has individual and stadium bubble craps.
This one?
Yeah, Ameristar.
Let's see if it's better than all the other ones.
I heard it's big.
That is the largest one?
That's what I heard. Yeah, I heard it was the largest one. So we are staying over at Horseshoe over there. Yeah. Oof. Ameristar.
So all the way over there are what?
There's
The downtown?
Sasquatch Casino. There's more casinos that way.
Smaller ones?
Yeah. I think there's a shuttle that goes over there too.
Is Ameristar the largest one, and it's like kind of the... Have we visited all the larger casinos?
Here?
Yeah.
Yes. I think so. I think so. Okay. Follow us. There's a bunch of smaller ones over there. There's like some famous smaller ones that I read online somewhere.
Here we go.
Ameristar. Whoo, sunny. Hey. Ah, shocking. Alright, put away this hat. Hello. Yep. Starbucks. So there's the stadium and there's the individual.
I see.
Yeah. And then there's upstairs too.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Minimum bet's $5. There's table games. It's a minimum bet on their stadium. $5 minimum too. $5 minimum too. Yeah. Want to go get a card?
Is it that place?
That's a center. Not sure. We'll find out.
Maybe it's on the other side. The time limit.
Yep.
Time limit on your left.
You want to walk through first?
So we don't have
Might
to
as well. So we are walking clockwise right now from the entrance. So those are... Oh, I want to see what the minimum bid is over here. What's up, buddy? Hi, minimum is 10. Cool. Thank you. High limit area. High limit table games and slot machines. Cool. Cool. Nice. You won a lot. You won a lot. Nice hit. How much is that?
It's only like 1,500.
It's only 1,700.
$1,000 the other day.
Oh, nice. It's only 1,700. It's only a hand pay. Wow, that was nice. Let's go get a player's card. Gotta try their coffee. Let's see how their coffee is. Bold. I'm gonna let you know how the coffee is. Let's see. It's pretty good. Where'd you go? Oh, she moved. So for new players, right? If you earn 200 points within, I think Monday, Tuesday, Thursdays during the week, you could get a free voucher to stay in the hotel here at Ameristar. That is crazy. Makes you want to play. Earn 200 points, get a free stay. Nice. So I guess Ameristar is part of the M Resort on all of these here. So did you hear if you put 200 points today, we get a free room?
What is this? Where is this? Is in Vegas?
Yeah, M Resort.
We've never been to M Resort?
Nope. I'm gonna use the restroom real quick.
Okay.
But yeah, did you hear that? You 200 points, get a free room.
How much is 200 points?
I don't know. Let's just use one card. So Ameristar, part of M Resort. Argosy, Penn Entertainment, Hollywood Casino, Lawrenceburg. Okay, cool. Good deal. So you have to download the app to get the $10 free play, I guess. Yeah, that's what she said. I don't know if it's automatically on the card. More table games here. So there's upstairs too. Wow. You want to walk around the bottom floor first? Yeah. Look, the game that started it all.
I like this one.
Yeah. So, ramen bar.
Ramen?
Ramen bar, yeah.
Where when you're drunk.
For when you're drunk. Sportsbook area. Wow, wait, is that the sportsbook and bar? Or sportsbook on top? Oh, sportsbook on top. So in the Timberline Grill on the bottom floor here. And that's the menu. You won. Oh, so there's a buffet over here. Yeah. Buffet does not look open. Yeah. Okay. It's gonna pop. I said it's gonna pop. We should have a race. I should sit on one and you should sit on one and we should play it until one of them pops.
Yeah. How much that?
Too much. Yeah, no, I haven't seen it. Okay, so after we eat, I need to try the coffee.
Coffee?
Yeah, for the free coffee. I want to try their coffee. I'm trying coffee on every casino here. See how good it is.
All right.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, he's taking it.
Yeah.
The lively place.
Do you remember when I got that 80 something games and I got $9? Well, other people were complaining about it too. They're saying, yeah, we got like 100 games, we got like $10. See, look. It's got 30 games. It's got $1.40 so far. I don't trust that game. And the smoking patio area with slot machines. Going upstairs. Poker room. Excuse me. Wow. The sports arena. Sports betting. Ameristar Casino and Blackhawk.
Tables are?
Table games?
No, I don't think we're quite here. No? Horse?
Ameristar Casino, Blackhawk, Colorado. Sports bet. Cool. Yeah, they're very strict about not recording here.
They are?
Yeah.
Do they come and tell you?
No, I read online and I saw some people saying that they can't record. Plus, I was walking through earlier and I had the camera here, and the security guard walked by. He said, "Ooh, camera!" And he walked up to another security person and said, "Here's the camera," but he didn't approach me. Maybe because I don't have it on, like it didn't look like I was holding it. Yeah, they don't have your Cashman Bingo game here. Is that game playing on its own? How many games?
Oh, I think that one.
Oh yeah, look at it. It's playing on its own. Nobody's watching. That's funny. Check it out. Ameristar Casino. It is nice and big here. Yep. Food over there. Gonna walk on the other end over there and then we'll go eat?
Yeah?
Okay. Tournament zone. What is it? It's gonna pop! You wanna play it? Fortunes of Orient. That is one big slot machine. I'm gonna finish walking over here. All the older slots over here. 25-cent, 3 real slots. Here we go. There's your walkthrough, everybody. Ameristar Casino. It is nice here. I like it. Ameristar Casino is very nice. Now we're walking way over there.
Okay. We're not gonna walk in front of the lodge.
Oh yeah, we can. You want to do that?
Yeah.
It's nicer? Okay.